Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a lot of talk about the latest security updates for September 2025 having issues installing. Either you're getting an error code, an error message, or you're getting an update that stalls at a percentage. I've seen a few in the comments say that it's stuck at 100% for the past days, and it just doesn't do anything, or it just says that some updates couldn't be installed. If you're in such a position right now, well, that means that, of course, the update has a problem. And it seems that there's a lot of people, and there are literally a dozen different error codes that people are getting. So it's not very helpful when the error codes are different and very diverse like this. So one of the things that I've seen, and it often is a way to fix the problem, is to download the update manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog and manually click on the install and see if it goes through. Before doing it, though, I would actually recommend that you go into your Start menu and click Restart. Do not shut down and then start your PC. You need to click Restart. There's a big difference between both. Restart really cleans up the last session that you had. So if it's because of some glitch within the session you had, then that clears it up. So restart, not shut down and then press the power button. Very important. So once you have restart, go to the web page. I'll share the web page for the update catalog in the description below, and simply go into your Windows 11. So you'll go down to cumulative update for Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 based systems security update, and click download and apply this to your machine. It should work. So check it out, download this, and if it still doesn't work, the only other recommendation right now is to use the media creation tool and have a kind of a refresh or reinstall of Windows through that, which at the same time as it installs the latest updates. But for now, try this from the update catalog to install the latest Windows 11 update that might be stalled. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.